DJI is a key player in the world of drones, and visual immersion continues to showcase its expertise with the launch of the DJI Goggles N3 FPV headset for DJI Neo and Avata. Immersive flying, $269. 2. Redefines the standards of immersive flying with a very attractive price of just €269. It presents itself as the perfect tool for beginners looking to dive into the world of FPV without compromising on quality. With a perfect combination of advanced technology and user comfort, the goggles promise superior visual experience. For more details and information, check out the link in the description. Every purchase through this link helps the channel. T. Goggles N3 Quality, Ergonomics, Minimalist, Smart Weight. With a minimalist look and a dark gray finish, this headset has a premium appearance that perfectly fits the brand's DNA. Its substantial dimensions are balanced out by a smart weight distribution thanks to the battery integrated at the back. This setup allows for a stable and comfortable fit, even during long sessions. The sturdy materials used in the construction give the headset a solid durability while providing a nice feel to the touch. The inside is lined with memory foam that effectively reduces pressure on the face, ensuring optimal comfort. The headband is adjustable to fit all head shapes, and the design includes enough space for users to wear their glasses comfortably. DJI Goggles N3 entry-level, foldable antennas, the USB-C and micro SD ports strategically placed add a touch of practicality to the whole setup, making for a smooth user experience. Despite being positioned as an entry-level model, the DJI Goggles N3 packs impressive performance. Featuring a unique 3.5-inch Full HD display, it offers exceptional visual quality, with brightness of 1350 nits and extended field of view of 100 degrees. This setup provides total immersion, as if you were literally in control of the drone. With a refresh rate of 60 Hz, the headset ensures smooth visuals, even during dynamic and fast flights. The advanced DJI O4 video transmission system provides an impressive range of up to 13 km with the DJI Avata 2, all while maintaining a minimal latency of 31 milliseconds. This headset is also equipped with head tracking functionality, which perfectly synchronizes head movements with the drone's camera, adding a new dimension of interactivity. An integrated demi-sting fan ensures clear vision in all circumstances, even in fluctuating weather conditions. The DJI Goggles N3 offers essential elements for head-mounted camera training, for an immersive, practical FPV experience. Wearing Goggles N3, it's about experiencing an immersive adventure, turning every flight into a captivating journey. The headset's exceptional comfort, combined with the impressive visual quality of its screen, allows for increased precision and confidence while flying. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, you'll find this headset easy to get the hang of. The JRC Motion 3 remote control enhances immersive experience. With its intuitive controls and responsive joystick, it allows for smooth and natural flying, even in crowded environments, such as dense forests or confined spaces. By combining the visual stability provided by the headset and the precise control tools of the remote, users can fully harness the potential of the drones. DJI Neo and Avata 2. Detailed displays, like the ground distance, provide extra safety during precise maneuvers. DJI goggles are for beginners. Image quality, comfort, but only for drones. Their attractive price, combined with exceptional image quality and comfort for glasses wearers, makes them an accessible option. However, their compatibility is limited to drones. Avata 2. This could be a drawback for those using other models. For more experienced pilots, the DJI Goggles 3 represent a premium option with their micro OLED display, refresh rate of up to 100 Hz and advanced features. Like the audience mode, smoke-free mode, and picture-in-picture, they provide an even more immersive flying experience. In contrast, the DJI Goggles Integra are a middle ground, combining broad compatibility with a light weight that improves comfort during extended sessions. DJI Goggles N3 shine for accessibility. Ergonomic design and affordability offer an experience. The DJI Goggles N3 are the perfect gateway to discover immersive flying. Thanks to their ergonomic design, bright screen, and intuitive compatibility with the Neo and Avata 2 drones, they provide a unique experience at a very affordable price. Although they are limited in terms of compatibility, they are a great starting point for those looking to explore the fascinating world of FPV. If you're ready to elevate your flying and immerse fully, the DJI Goggles N3 are for you. To learn more about this model, feel free to check out the link in the description. Every click this link supports channel. I thank you that. And before you go, be sure to leave a comment to share your thoughts, to like the video and to subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon, ciao ciao.